on the Gumball sheet. Let's see what it has for us. Sure, let's go. La 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 la. Oh, yes, Gumball first. Do, do, do. Magic, magic-y. Pull.
for Daddy's birthday. Okay, let's get the cake mix and put it in the bowl.
Hi guys, it's me, and I'm gonna make a hot cake, kitty cake. Mwah. And pink balloons are gonna be in it.
Alright girls, I'm gonna go check the laundry. I'll be back in a few minutes, so be good, okay?
Okay.
Mix your cake.
I'm gonna make a balloon cake with Hello Kitty on it and balloon. Let's go and get some of Dad's favorite foods and go and put them in our cake. Hey Madison, let's do it. My mushroom looks like it's coming out. My mushroom's coming. How? Wow. Let's do this. Mustard stinks. Scoop of meal, put it in. Salad dressing. That smells cute. Ranch is Daddy's favorite. Mustard. Ooh, cockroaches. Daddy loves eating cockroaches. Dump. Oh, Mama! I love making cakes. Let's put sprinkles in our cake now. Me eat sprinkles. Can I have a spoon? That smells the mustard. Nice looking cockroaches. Can I please get something else? Can please get something else?
Daddy's gonna freak out when he finds out we made him a cake for his birthday. What do you guys think?
Yeah. No, my cockroaches are from Mama. I love cake! Cake everywhere. Bubble! Cake buddy! Cake everywhere! Bubble! Oh, I'm sorry, Maddie. Take it off. Ew, I think that cake made my tummy hot. Oh, that cake hurt my tummy. It looks like toilet poop. This stinks! Ew! Clean foot what?
Ew! What did I just step in? Did one of you girls poop on the floor? There's a hidden monkey in this video. See if you can find it. When you do, comment below with the monkey emoji. Don't forget to subscribe and become a member of the MaddaKenz crew.